no problem to be, God cannot solve it. There is no mountain too tall, He cannot move it.
There is no storm too dark, God cannot calm it. There is no sorrow too deep, He cannot soothe it. If He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know my brother that He will carry you. If He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know my sister that He will carry you. He said, "Come unto me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest."
There is no problem to be, God cannot solve it. There is no mountain too tall,